Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the vase mode in OrcaSlicer. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to demonstrate it onto its model right here onto my plate. And basically, I'm just going to upsize this into this shape. Now to use the vase mode, you want to navigate through the others category under the global option right here. And basically, you want to scroll down until you navigated to the special mode. In here, you have this spiral vase option. You want to make sure that this is turned on. Now, by enabling this option, it will automatically disable and enable other stuff. For example, it will turn off your inlet. It will navigate, or it will edit out your strength right here. So you just have to keep that in mind, that it will configure other settings that you have on your model. So from there, I'm also going to enable the smooth spiral option. And then of course you can add some additional settings right here. But of course, if you click on the slice plate option, it will now apply the vase mode onto our OrcaSlicer. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.